I don't want this list to be random chat GPT stuff that, not gonna lie, no one is gonna try. I don't even do myself. But these are things which I've actually done and anyone can do for years, which allowed me to see a lot more progress in my own life. So I don't want you to miss out on this because these are so easy to do and just start doing. So the first thing, which I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say like get 8 hours of sleep because I don't even do that all the time. But something you can do easily is just change the brightness of your screens, the lightings in your room, and turn on red light for your screens. This will help you fall asleep easier and get better sleep. 2. Get an alarm clock and put it across the room. 3. Put your phone in a different room or away from you in the morning. 4. Follow a similar routine in the morning so it's easy to go through. I started to wake up earlier in the mornings and I have a lot more time to shower, to do random work or stuff I want to do in the morning, and also eat. 5. Make your bed. 6. Set up what you want to wear at night. This will reduce the unnecessary time thinking or stressing about things in the morning. 7. Use your clear mind that you have in the morning to your advantage. Think. Get ideas. Don't just open your phone right away. 8. Remember to just smile. 9. Say hi to people that you recognize. 10. Compliment someone. 11. Ask how someone's day went. 12. Drink water. I try to drink at least 3 bottles a day. 13. Get a hobby. For me, that right now is playing the piano, and it's really fun. It gives me something to do when I'm bored. And it's cool seeing all the things I can play. 14. Do 10 push-ups right now. 15. Take pictures, selfies, because it's fun to do and you can look back on them and see how much you've actually changed. 16. Write down things that you want to do or that comes to mind. You can remember a lot more things, become a lot more productive, and express yourself. 17. Subscribe to this channel. Hopefully this little video is cool and you can learn a thing or two from it. And next time you're watching videos, you can get some value out of it. 18. The next time you're working or trying to focus on something, don't put your phone near you. 19. Get fresh air when you can. The sunlight, the breeze. Even though it's extremely cold out, I just have my window open a little bit. 20. Message a friend. Make a plan to go out sometime. 21. Think about what's going well. Be grateful. 22. Do another 10 push-ups. 23. Stop for a second to think. I like going outside to do it sometimes. 24. Don't open your phone an hour before you go to bed. Don't do anything that can give your brain more and more thoughts, making it harder to sleep. For me, at least, anything that will excite my brain or give me energy, I don't want to do. 25. Take one deep breath any time in the day. 26. Posture check. And the 27th thing, when you learn something, implement it as soon as possible. If you can at least do one of these things, I think that would be really cool. So watch this video for more. See you later. Peace.